What if you could click one button and blast any website or affiliate link to 30 free traffic sources that no one else knows about? With over 2.5 billion buyers on tap and just a few clicks away. So all you need to do is click the traffic button and instantly plug your links into 30 viral traffic gold mines with over 2.5 billion buyers. So you can promote your websites and links in seconds, while also earning daily sales and commissions in as little as 60 seconds. So, are you in? Do you want to plug into 30 new traffic streams with 2.5 billion buyers before the competition? Okay, great. Now here's what this is all about. Hi, Chris here. And right now I'm making commissions like this and getting free traffic like this. The question is, how can you do the same? See, if you want to profit like me in 2020, whether it's an affiliate or selling your own product, whether you want to build a list or just make your first sale, there's one thing you need above all else: traffic. Specifically, free buyer traffic that's on tap 24/7. Look, in 2020, that's hard to come by. Google and Facebook ads can cost over $5 per click. Free Google traffic with SEO can take months before you even see a trickle of clicks. So-called hot new social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok are already overwhelmed with competition. So where do you turn for free traffic? If you don't have a product or a list, but you want to promote your websites or affiliate programs to billions of buyers without dropping a dime on ads, well, let me ask you this. What if there was a solution that could do everything for you? So that finding profitable affiliate programs was done for you. Creating a campaign with images and headlines was done for you. And driving free buyer traffic was done for you. In fact, everything to get traffic and commissions was done for you. So you could get free traffic from 30 times traffic sources in 4 clicks. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Presenting Commission Blaster, a new 4-click software app that's the world's first done-for-you instant traffic blaster, with the ability to blast your affiliate links to 30 times sites in 1 click. Even if you're brand new, don't have a list, and even if you don't have a website, you don't need one because everything from A to Z is done for you. Commission Blaster automates every aspect of getting targeted free traffic. There's no writing, no expensive ads to run, and 0 ongoing costs. This turnkey app is packed with 60 times of the top converting offers from the world's biggest affiliate network. And you get to keep 100% of the commissions from every sale. In fact, all you need to create your affiliate campaign and start getting traffic is click 4 buttons. And no, you don't need to write a word of content, create videos, or even worry about traffic. It's all done for you and just 4 clicks away, with 30 traffic sources built right into this one done-for-you platform. Just look at how easy it is with this brand new app. Step 1. Enter the link you want to blast. First, tell the software where you want to send traffic to. It could be any link, website, or affiliate link. In fact, to make things real easy for you, we've included a list of profitable offers. These are some of the offers I recommend you promote to make commissions like me. After all, as a ClickBank Elite Super Affiliate, I know what sells. That's why I've personally hand-selected every top offer into the app to maximize your profits. Step 2. Steal my done-for-you campaigns. Take it from someone who's been making money since 2007. The campaign you create is very important, but it's also time-consuming. Who has time to write headlines, call to actions, and format images for all 30 times traffic sources? Ugh! That's why we've preloaded done-for-you campaigns for every niche and affiliate program, with banners, headlines, and text all done for you. So simply click once to steal one of my campaigns, edit and tweak if you like, swapping in a new banner, headline, or video, or simply let me do all the work. And just like that, our incredible software has built an entire campaign for you around your website or affiliate program, filled with content, banners, headline, call to action, video, and of course, your affiliate link. To pay a top marketer like me to create your campaign would cost $5,000 or more. But they're all preloaded into this powerful cloud-based app, with dozens of my done-for-you campaigns fully customizable and just a click away. Step 3. Click to get free traffic times 30. Now the fun part, getting traffic. This is normally the hardest part, but with Commission Blaster, all you need to do is click once to share your site to 30 secret traffic sources with over 2.5 billion buyers. See, as a super affiliate, I've experimented with dozens of traffic methods. Some are free but slow, some are great but expensive. Most are simply too hard for even pro marketers like me. But in 2020, I found 30 little-known traffic sources that are perfect for the little guy. 30 places you will want to promote your affiliate links on. And the best part is most marketers don't even know these secret sites exist. In total, these secret sites get over 2.5 billion visitors a month. And all 2.5 billion of these people are looking for the exact kind of products you'll be selling. Whether your thing is ClickBank, e-commerce, or affiliate marketing, list building, digital products, or simply promoting your websites and blogs, you're bound to plug directly into an exciting new stream of targeted buyers. It's the combination of my 30 secret traffic sources with my 60 hand-selected affiliate programs that makes my one-stop software app so powerful. That's literally 1,800 campaign combinations just a few clicks away. Literally everything you need to start getting traffic and commissions is done for you. And remember, with my new app, you never need to write a thing. There's no design or video creation, you don't need a website or any paid ads. In fact, all you need to do to get free traffic is click a few buttons. My new affiliate traffic software platform does the rest. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Oh, and you'll be getting traffic from 30 secret buyer sources. That way you can get paid up to 30 times each time you click the traffic button. Simply log into the software, click a few times to build your campaign, then click again to launch it into my 30 billion buyer traffic pools. Then turn around and do it another 59 times for all the affiliate programs I've included. That's over $30,000 of ClickBank commissions built right into the software. This is your chance to become a super affiliate by leveraging all our hard work. And yes, if you're an advanced marketer, you can edit my templates too. For example, replacing your affiliate link with another website URL or other affiliate link. That means when you've exhausted my 60 times done for you campaigns, you can tweak them to promote anything you'd like. Your license includes full customization rights. And yes, you'll always own 100% of the traffic and get to keep 100% of the profits. This is the solution for affiliates and beginners hungry for traffic and sales. Literally everything you need to start making the daily sales and commissions you've always dreamed of is done for you by Commission Blaster. Can you follow our 3 steps and click 4 times? Are you frustrated at the old ways of getting traffic? Are you ready to try something truly new? Then yes, it can work for you. As long as you have a browser to run the app on, you can dive into the free traffic pool whenever you feel like a cash dip. You could be making money with dozens of affiliate programs every month, just like I'm doing. And with no monthly fees, no costs, no setup time, no writing, and no worrying about traffic. It's the software I would have wanted when I started out. Are you starting to get what I'm saying? For the first time in your life, you're on the inside. Now Commission Blaster has been in development for months now. I've been an elite marketer for over a decade. And if you're still seeing this video, you can still get my software app now. But you need to take action right away, right this second. Because with thousands of people hitting this page, this has to be a limited offer. Soon we'll move to a monthly recurring price, and it will still be a steal at $97 per month. But why pay $1,000 in a week when you can get it for next to nothing today? This is your chance to skip the free traffic learning curve in one move. So be sure to grab it with both hands. Smart marketers know that the other traffic sources are saturated and only getting worse. The smart marketers know in 2020 they need an edge. I know you agree because you're still watching this video. But just knowing isn't enough. You also need to take action. Because this opportunity won't be around for more than a few days. In fact, we're going to increase the price every single hour. And then at the end of the week, the price will jump to a reoccurring monthly price. But you can get in at the ground floor at a tiny one-time fee. You'll get instant access to the easiest affiliate traffic app on the planet. And unlike other apps, Commission Blaster sets you up within seconds. Just this one tool does everything you need to make money online with no monthly fees. Just imagine. Unlimited affiliate campaigns, unlimited free buyer traffic, unlimited commissions. It's all here at a price that's practically a steal, but only if you act now. So, are you ready to get started? Okay, great. To claim your one-time purchase discount and to see how Commission Blaster changes everything, click the button below for instant access. You're only one click away from unlocking explosive free traffic with the power of my done-for-you traffic app. The first step is to click on the order button below. It's risk-free. Commission Blaster has an unconditional 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it for 60 days, launch some campaigns, get some traffic. Go ahead and make some money. If you still think this is not for you, I'll refund your money, no questions asked. Okay, order right now. Click the link below this video. I'll send you an instant access link to the app, and you can have your first campaign live in just 60 seconds. Then your next 29 campaigns live just seconds later. You can launch as many campaigns as you like. You can get unlimited free buyer traffic as many times as you like. There's no limit to the affiliate commissions you can make and no monthly fees. You'll get instant access to the software and all the bonuses as soon as you join. And I'll also include personal access to my email address in the members area. Remember, I'm here to help you succeed. But you must act now. Sorry, but with an offer this good, there are no second chances. So what are you waiting for? Click below to get started. You'll then be taken to the payment page. Enter your information and then confirm your payment. You'll get instant access to my software within under a minute. Don't miss out. Okay, thanks for checking out Commission Blaster. I'll see you on the inside.